over the last few months, I have not been consistent with posting my content like how I used to be. After my dad passed, I'm just going to be completely honest. I just did not feel like getting up, getting dressed, and putting an outfit together and posting it. But I know that consistency is what built my affiliate income in the first place. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing why I'm doing a 75 hard content creator challenge. Let's get into it. Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki. If you are returning, welcome back. Now, you know when your girl have fallen off of something, sometimes you just got to go back to the starting point, got to go back to the drawing board. And for me, that's just doing a 75 hard. 30 days to me is just not enough for me. Like, I need a longer run. And last year I did a 75 hard personal finance challenge when my finances was getting all out of whack. And now my content is all out of whack, except for my YouTube video. Like YouTube, I have still been consistent on, but I'm talking about where I get my affiliate income from. I have been out of whack for a very long time, and I want to get myself back into the habit of, creating content and making money. Let's just be honest, because I don't think we say it enough. Like, I am on these platforms to make money, and I think that you should be honest with yourself as well, because if you're not on these platforms to make money, you can't be mad that you ain't making no money. So go ahead and drop that in the comments right now that you are on these platforms to make money. Put it out there in the universe, so that way the universe can hear you and actually send money your way. That's what I'm hoping for anyway. But anytime that I get all out of whack, anytime that I just falling off of something, I just like to do a 75 hard. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just making this thing up as I go along. I have never done a 75 hard content creator challenge. I don't even know if this thing actually exists. I didn't even know if the 75 hard personal finance thing actually exists. I'm just doing things that I know that could possibly, kind of help me out. So with my affiliate marketing challenge or content creator challenge, what I plan on doing is showing up on one short form platform and one long form platform, and I'm going to be sharing things I like, that I love, that I use, that I'm wearing, all of those type of things to just get myself back into the habit of just creating content. Now, I'm going to be completely honest. The goal is, of course, to make some money, but if I don't make no money, it's all good as well, because again, I want to create that habit of just posting my content again, because it has been weeks that I haven't really posted content, and I'm finding myself kind of slacking back off again, where it has been days that I'm not posting any content and things like that. And if I don't post content, let's just be completely honest, especially with affiliate marketing, these short form platforms, they go so quick. Your content die down maybe after 48 hours. So you gotta consistently show back up so that you can continue on being in the algorithm. So what I plan on doing is I plan on using Facebook, because that is like my main thing that I actually use when it comes to my affiliate marketing. I feel like that is going to be the way that I'm going to, create some type of income from me, doing this challenge, whether that's from the affiliate link that I'm actually putting in the content, or if I'm just posting on the platform, because Facebook, I am a part of their content monetization program. Anything that I do on Facebook, I actually get paid from. So if you got a platform where you actually get paid to actually just post there, I would say definitely use that platform first, so that way you won't feel like, oh, I'm doing all of this posting and I'm not getting nothing. So even if nobody buys whatever I am showing up, promoting or sharing or anything like that, I can still make money from the content that I'm actually sharing from that platform. Now, me personally, I don't really count my content money from the platform or whatever. I'm not gonna say I don't count it. I do count it, but I don't depend on it per se, because they can take this away at any given moment. But while it's still here, I might as well use it before it be taken away. Like I feel like a lot of times we get accepted into the TikTok shop program. We get accepted into the YouTube partner program. We are accepted into the Facebook monetization program. We are accepted into all these programs, and we ain't even posting content for these platforms to be able to pay us. It's like, do you know people want to be monetized? People want to be paid for their content that they're posting on Facebook. People want to be monetized to get paid for posting their videos on YouTube. Now, So if it be taken away from you, you can't be mad. And I'm talking to you, but I'm talking to myself because I am monetized on so many different things, and I do not take advantage of it like how I should. And I feel like it's more so because I have this safety net over here where I work a full-time job and I don't necessarily depend on my content creator money. This is something that I do very part-time. I batch all of my content on Sunday. But again, I gotta focus on my goal. My goal for me is I don't want to work until the retirement age. I thought the retirement age was 65, but when I did a little bit more research, the retirement age is 67. And ain't no telling what the retirement age is going to be by the time that I, get up to that point. And I'm just going to be completely honest, after seeing my mom pass away at 59 years old and my dad passed away at 68 years old, I don't want to wait till the retirement age to be able to retire. I want to be able to retire before the retirement age. My goal is to retire around the 55, 56 age. I'm going to be completely honest, but no later than 60. That's like that's where I'm drawing the line. No later than 60. And the only way I'm going to be able to do that is if I make more money, because I don't do overtime at my job. I just give them my 8 hours and I go home and I work on whatever I want to work on. I work on furthering my education when it comes, or not education, but furthering my knowledge on how I can better myself. I'm learning things about, myself, doing things I like to do instead of just spending all of my days, all of my years at a full-time job. It's already bad enough I'm spending 8 hours there and then got to drive 1 hour, almost an hour there and then an hour back. So I'm not giving them a whole lot of time anymore. I want to put that time back into myself and bettering myself. And hopefully this thing that I'm doing on the side can potentially help me to leave this place that I'm spending so much time at. So that's why I'm doing this challenge. So if that is one of your goals, maybe your goal is to get out of debt. Maybe your goal is to save enough money to put a down payment on a house. Or maybe your goal is just like me, to get your butt back into shape because you have fallen off your content creator journey too, and you want to start back posting online and showing up online and making money online. So maybe you should start this 75 hard content creator journey as well. Now, again, my short form platform is going to be Facebook, where I'm going to be sharing all of my content because, again, I get paid for whatever I do over there. So even if I post a link and nobody clicks on it, nobody buys anything, I'm still going to make money just from people viewing my content there. Now, the other challenge to that is to post on one long form platform as well, because, again, I'm getting up into age and showing up on this Instagram, TikTok, Facebook type of thing. It's getting overwhelming. I don't think Facebook is, too overwhelming, because I don't do a lot of editing over there. I don't do a lot of, aesthetically pleasing content over there. I just really share things that I'm doing just in the moment, little bits and pieces of my life and stuff like that. It don't have to be long and drawn out like how my Instagram is. My Instagram is a curated feed compared to Facebook. I could be cooking dinner and I could just have the phone up and saying, this is what I'm eating today. That type of thing. So to me, Facebook is like a low effort platform that I can just create content on, still make money from, and stuff like that. And I think people appreciate the realness of you just showing up, sharing things that you like, that you love, that you are using, that you are wearing, that type of stuff. So but on the flip side of that, I want my content to be making money long after the Instagram, TikTok, Facebook phase, that type of stuff. And I got to be on these long form platforms. So a long form platform that your content is going to continue on working months, years, over time are YouTube, Pinterest, and a blog. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be focusing on as well. I'm going to be focusing on Pinterest. I'm going to be utilizing Pinterest to drive traffic to my blog, because on one of my blogs, I actually am monetized over there. So that's like my goal. I'm trying to put attention to where I'm already monetized. It don't make sense to continue on putting my focus into places where I'm not really monetized on, or that I gotta be on a hamster wheel, for, and that type of stuff. So again, yes, I'm gonna be posting on Facebook and trying to, be consistent over there for the 75 days, but I'm also gonna be posting on Pinterest as well, because I can just go back and just link back to blog posts that I have previously wrote. I can link back to YouTube videos that I have of fashion content, inside. I already have created a new YouTube channel for like my fashion content, but I want to be doing things that's gonna continue on making money long after 48 hours, because on these short form platforms you got about 48 hours and then your content is dead and you might as well go ahead and post again something else. So if you don't want to be just like keep posting and that type of thing, you need to be on a long form platform. So I'm doing both at the same time so I can kind of like just test out what has been working, what worked well, what didn't work well, what I plan on doing moving forward. So, every single week I'm going to be giving you an update on what happened, how many times I posted, how much money I made, all of that type of stuff, so we can just keep track of that. But eventually we want to kind of like move our content from the short form platform over to the long form platforms where it can continue on making money years and years and years, because I'm noticing on my Pinterest account, I'm still getting views from summer pins that I created 2 years ago. And I'm like, wow, I am sleeping on the Pinterest platform. I should be writing blog posts and putting pins out there on Pinterest and driving those traffic to those pins, especially those older pins where it's continue on getting traffic year after year, and just putting new outfits within those blog posts. That's what I should be doing, and that's something that I'm thinking about doing as I'm going into this 75 hard content creator challenge. So this is something I'm just talking out loud with you. I have nothing really set in stone when it comes to this affiliate content creator challenge. I don't even know if I'm gonna call it content creator challenge or affiliate marketing challenge. I don't exactly know, because again, when you kind of like get pushed out of the algorithm, you got to show back up with content in order for you to start back getting pushed again. So I think I'm going to call it the content creator challenge, because I don't even know if I've been thrown out of the algorithm. So I got to get myself back into it. And I just got to get consistent with posting content, not even just posting content, creating the content, because I have a lot of stuff in my phone. Don't get me wrong. I have a lot of stuff in my phone, and I'm the type of person that I don't have to always go and create something new. I could just go in my phone and just scroll up to something and then just post that, because with affiliate marketing, you don't have to be creating something new every single day. If you use their product in your everyday life, and you might use it every single day, like me washing my face. I use that CeraVe every single time that I wash my face in the shower. That could be something that I could be propping up my phone and getting a video on and linking it on my LTK. So that's another thing. You got to choose what affiliate marketing platform are you going to be using to drive traffic to your affiliate links. So for me, I'm going to be using LTK. I do have a list of affiliate marketing networks just in case, you are interested in signing up to something and want to, join this challenge and, do this challenge as well. I'm going to link that down below. It's a free list. You don't got to worry about paying anything or anything like that. But if you do want my referral link to LTK, you have been trying to get accepted into LTK and you probably haven't got accepted just yet, my referral link will give your application a little boost. It's not a guarantee that you'll get approved, but it will give you a little boost. So I'm going to link that down below as well. Then the next thing that I'm going to be doing is choosing my platform. I'm going to choose one short form platform and one long form platform. For me, that's going to be Facebook for my short form platform and Pinterest for my long form platform. And within that Pinterest, I can post like regular videos. I can drive traffic to YouTube videos that have affiliate links in them. I can drive traffic to blog posts. That's why I'm picking Pinterest, because there are so many opportunities when it comes to Pinterest that you can monetize your content. It doesn't necessarily have to be just an affiliate link. I can drive traffic other places that I make money, as well. So that's something that you could think about. I can actually really drive traffic back to my Facebook post that I'm going to be posting anyway on Facebook now that I'm thinking about. So that way, if somebody click on that post or that pin on Pinterest, I'm gonna get money just from the view itself, even if they don't buy anything. So now that I'm thinking about that, I probably would do that. But then again, Pinterest don't like all that spammy activity. They don't want you just affiliate link. They don't want you doing all that. So I would definitely suggest you do not do all of that back to back. So now that I'm saying it out loud and kind of like going over it with you, I'm probably not gonna do that. I probably do it maybe once a week or maybe every couple of days, drive traffic to my Facebook account or something like that. I don't know it necessarily how I'm gonna do it. You'll just have to check back with me next week for the update so that I can kind of like share with you what I actually did, because right now this is just in my head, in my brain, and I just wanted to get it out and just share it with the people that has fallen off their content. So If you don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to affiliate marketing, you like, girl, what is affiliate marketing? What are you talking about? And all this type of stuff. I do have a beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. I'm going to link that down below. This is for creators who have been posting content, but you ain't making no money. I'm going to link that down below so that you can start getting paid from your content, turning your content into income. I'm going to post that down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you're going to join me, let me know that you are in. Comment, I'm in, because I don't want to do this alone. Don't have me doing this alone, y'all. Do not have me doing this alone. Comment, I'm in, if you're in for the challenge, whether that's you want to make money from content or whether you just want to get back in the groove of just posting your content. But that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.